Today we're diving into a serious but incredibly important topic: animals that are in danger of extinction. We share this planet with millions of species, but every day more and more are pushed to the brink of disappearing forever. Whether it's due to habitat destruction, climate change, poaching, or pollution, these animals are struggling to survive, and it's up to us to understand, care, and act. So, stick around as we explore some of the most critically endangered species on Earth, what's threatening them, and how we can help. The Amur leopard. First up, the Amur leopard. Native to the Russian Far East and parts of China, this big cat is one of the rarest felines on Earth. With fewer than 100 individuals left in the wild, they're critically endangered. Why? Deforestation, poaching, and a shrinking gene pool. Their beautiful spotted coats make them a target for illegal trade, and their habitats are being cleared for logging and development. But there's hope. Conservation efforts, like protected reserves and breeding programs, are slowly helping their numbers rise. The vaquita. Next is an animal many people have never heard of: the vaquita. This tiny porpoise is found only in the northern Gulf of California, Mexico. Sadly, there are likely fewer than 10 left. Why are they disappearing? Vaquitas often get caught and drown in illegal fishing nets meant for another endangered fish called the totoba. Despite efforts by scientists and environmental groups, time is running out. The vaquita may become extinct in our lifetime unless drastic changes are made. Sumatran orangutan. The Sumatran orangutan is a symbol of the rainforests of Indonesia, but also a symbol of what we're losing. These intelligent primates are critically endangered, with only about 14,000 left. Their greatest threat: deforestation, mainly due to palm oil plantations. When forests are cut down, orangutans lose their homes and their food sources. Many are also hunted or taken illegally for the pet trade. Supporting sustainable palm oil and conservation projects can make a big difference here. Javan rhino. Let's talk about the Javan rhino, another critically endangered species. There are only around 80 of them left, all living in one national park in Indonesia. That's a good thing and a bad thing. Good because they're protected. Bad because if disease or a natural disaster hits that park, the whole species could be wiped out. Rhinos are often hunted for their horns, but in the Javan rhino's case, habitat loss is the main problem. Conservationists are working to expand and safeguard their territory. These elephants are essential for the health of the African rainforest, spreading seeds and keeping ecosystems in balance. Unfortunately, they've been heavily hunted for ivory and lost vast amounts of habitat. Their population has dropped by more than 60% in just a few decades. Thanks to stronger laws and anti-poaching efforts, there's some hope, but they're still listed as critically endangered. The pangolin. Have you heard of the pangolin? It looks like a walking pinnacone, and sadly, it's the most trafficked mammal in the world. Pangolins are hunted for their scales, used in traditional medicine, and for their meat. There are 8 species of pangolins, and all of them are under threat. In some parts of the world, their populations are already vanishing. International bans on pangolin trade are in place, but illegal markets still exist. Education and awareness are key to saving these unique creatures. Climate change impact. It's not just hunting or habitat destruction. Climate change is a major threat to countless species. From polar bears losing sea ice to coral reefs bleaching and dying, entire ecosystems are shifting. Animals like the snow leopard, Adelie penguin, and even koalas are struggling as their environments become too hot, too dry, or too unpredictable. Slowing climate change by cutting carbon emissions and protecting habitats is essential not just for wildlife, but for us too. Conclusion: every animal we talked about today plays a role in their ecosystem. When they vanish, the balance shifts, and that affects all life on Earth, including us. So, what can you do? Here are a few simple ways to help support wildlife conservation groups. Choose sustainable products. Avoid single-use plastics. Educate others. And speak up. Your voice matters. Extinction is forever, but hope isn't lost. Together, we can protect these incredible animals and the planet we share. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, give this video a like, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment with your favorite endangered animal or one you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and stay wild.